Hello guys! Welcome back to Pichi's channel! Welcome back here in USA vlog. So, how are you today guys? I hope you are all doing good, safe and healthy, and of course happy while watching my video. So, welcome back here in USA vlog with Pichi. So for today's video guys, we will just make an update about Pichi. Say hi Pichi. Say hi to the vlog. Yeah, this is Pichi guys. Yeah, so we will just make an update about her. This video is all about Pichi. So enjoy watching guys, and for those who haven't subscribed yet, please do consider to subscribe, like and share and comment. Enjoy watching.
You feel like, you feel like, you feel like, you feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes. Mix the potion, mix it up, girl, put it in motion. No compromising, make up your mind. We're running out of time. It's so hard to try, but it feels one-sided. Just make up your mind, lay it all on the line. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. Pulling your thorns out my clothes. Your poison is spread to my soul. You say you love me one day, next you don't, knowing damn well.
Okay guys, so here is Pichi. Say hi Pichi. Hi Pichi. Hi. Hello friends. Okay guys, so let's start the story. 1 week ago guys, exactly 1 week ago, Pichi gave birth to four little cute kittens. Yeah. Okay, go to your babies. Go to your babies, Pichi. Go to your babies. Okay. So here are the babies now. Oops. Careful, Pichi. You have one more baby here. But yes guys, for 1 week ago, exactly 1 week ago today, she gave birth to four lovely little cuties. Yeah, but sad to say guys, sadly, the one of the kitten did not make it. Yeah, it didn't make it. So she gave birth to two gray and two black kittens. Yeah, but the other black, it didn't make it because the one was very weak, very small, because it took long before like almost 5 hours before Pichi push it out. Yeah, before she came out from Mama Pichi's belly. Right, Pichi? Look at her. Yeah, so this is Pichi now. I don't like the color. It's the color of the natural light. Yeah, but it's okay. Let me change it. Okay, just like this. Yeah, so these are her babies. She gave birth, or she only have two gray color and then a black one. So this is the first one, the eldest. Eldest, yeah. This is the first one that came out, the smallest one, and then the second, and then the third. The fourth baby, it didn't make it, the fourth kitten. Oh, Look how loving Pichi is. She really loves her babies. Right, Pichi? Right, Pichi? You really love your babies? Yeah, Pichi is so sweet. So I'm so blessed having her here. It makes me happy. Not just me, even my husband. Especially when we're stressed. Yeah, she's our stress reliever, and now she have 3 babies here, and they are all so cute. Right? They are all so cute. Look at this. One trivia, guys. When your cat allowed you or let you touch this part, the belly part, because this is the weakest part of them, if they allowed you or let you to touch this part, it means they have full trust on you. Yeah, look at her. So we have her here like almost 4 months now. Oh no, 4 months now. Yeah, it's 4 months now. Yeah, but look at this. She allowed me to touch her belly or her tummy. Yeah. Hi, Pichi. Hi, Pichi. Let me touch your babies. Ah, little cuties. Ah, little cuties. Pichi. Ah, Pichi. Yeah. You say hi to the vlog, Pichi? Yeah, so Pichi have 3 healthy babies now, 1 black and 2 grays, and they are exactly 1 week old now. Yeah, so today is February 24th, I think, or 23rd. Yeah. Yeah, Pichi is so sweet. Let me hold your baby. Huh, Pichi? Mama Pichi? See? Look how healthy they are. Look how healthy they are. Okay, hold on. I'll put the phone here. Oh, Pichi. And I'll show you how healthy they are. Okay. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, guys. So, oh, look at that. Look at that. Right, Pichi? So I'll show you her babies. Okay, Pichi, we will show them your babies, okay? Okay, so this is the black one. So right now the smallest is the first one, the first kitten. So this is the K1. Yeah, the K1. And it's so cute. It's okay, it's okay. Look at her. Pichi. Yeah, Pichi is so sweet. She's the smallest, but she's healthy, chubby, and she's like a ball. Yes, Pichi. It's okay, Pichi. Okay. Okay. Let her drink milk. And then this is the second one. And she's so quiet. She's so quiet. Yeah. Okay, it's okay. Look at her. She's like a ball. It's okay. It's okay, little one. There you go, Pichi. Let her eat. This is so cute. Look at this. Just like a ball. So this is the black one. She's the third one. The K3. This is the K3. Kitten number 3. Oops. Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's okay, Pichi. It's okay. So this is the K1, K2, and then the K3. Kitten number 1, number 2, and number 3. And I felt bad for the K number 4, the kitten number 4, because it didn't make it. But I tried my best to fed, yeah, and so that it can make it. But yeah, life is like that, right, Pichi? But Pichi will always be my baby, right? Pichi will always be my baby. Pichi is so sweet. Okay. Right, Pichi? Are you sweet, Pichi? Yeah, look at this color. Look at this color. It's my first time to see a gray kitten like this. Very gray. Oh yeah, this is the K1. I'm still thinking about their names. So if you have any suggestions, name for the kittens, feel free to put your suggestions or ideas, name for the kittens, and I will appreciate it. So yeah, look at this, the little cuties. Oh, she looks like a ball. Yeah, oh sorry, Pichi. I covered your face. She want to be she want to show her face so she can see, you can see her. Oh, Pichi. Look at this. Yeah. They are all like that. They are so sweet. Yeah. So guys, if your cat if your cat is not allowing you to touch their tummy or belly, it means they don't trust you. Like this. But Pichi, as you can see, look, Appy. That's how I call her sometimes. Appy. This is my sweet Pichi. Right, Pichi? You like to be touched, Pichi? You like to be touched? Oh no, oh no, oh no. These are ball of joy and happiness. So this makes me busy or keeps me busy. I'm always here. I'm always checking them, especially Pichi. I love my Pichi, right, Pichi? I love you, Pichi. I love you, Pichi. Can I hold one of your baby again? This one? Okay. Guys, look. This is the real color. No filter. No filter, guys. It's okay, Pichi. It's okay. It's okay, Pichi. Just lay down. Good girl. Good mama. Good mama. You're such a good mama, Pichi. You're such a good mama, Pichi. Careful. Be careful. Be careful. Pichi is a good mama. Right, Pichi? Okay, guys. So that's all for today. That's my update for today about Pichi. So cute. And I hope you like this video, guys. Oh, look at this. So cute. You say thank you, Pete. Say thank you. Thank you. Thank you for watching. You say thank you for watching. I hope you like my video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, so thank you for watching, guys. So this is the update about Pichi. Yeah, she have 3 little kittens. And she's a good mama. Yeah, she's always here. She will just go outside and she needs to, like, call of nature. Yeah, but she's always here feeding her babies. Yeah. Okay, guys. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. I hope you like it. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, please do consider to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also don't forget to click the notification bell so that every time I will upload video, you will get notification. So thank you guys for watching and see you on our next video. And for those yeah, again. And always remember, guys, be loving and kind to everyone, especially with our pets, dogs or kittens, or whatever pets we have. And be happy. Treat them well. Yeah. And stay safe and healthy, guys, and see you on our next video. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you. Say thank you, Pichi. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, it's time to rest.